Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Heleman 6-piece magnetic small screwdriver set. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. Okay, so here we have the set. So it's a plastic case. It has rubber on the bottom here. So if you wanted to lean this up against something, like against a wall, you could lean it like that and it won't slip down. So I'll open it up. There we go. So here are the different sizes. We have a 2mm straight screwdriver. We have a double-aught Phillips, 2.4 straight, single-aught Phillips, number 3 straight, and number 1 Phillips. This also includes a magnet to help you magnetize your screwdrivers. So let's take this out and look at it. So the shafts on these are made of chrome vanadium steel. The screwdrivers themselves are made of anodized aluminum. The ends have a slight concave here and they rotate, so you can hold it like this. You can press down with your finger while you're rotating it. I like that these have different colors here. So if you work on these regularly, you'll likely memorize which color goes to what, so you can quickly pick out the screwdriver. You don't have to look on the side. So a screwdriver set like this would be good for working on glasses. So I have a pair of glasses here. It's a pretty small Phillips size. Let me see which one would work best. So the single-aught size looks good here. So I'll stick it in and then I'll turn. So the screwdriver's flat here. It helps you grip it. So I'm currently holding it like this so I can press against it. And here we have the screw loose, I think. Let me see if I can pull it out. There we go. I can screw it back in. So this is a good range for working with glasses. It has the Phillips and the straight sizes. Another thing you can use this for is working on electronics. So here I have a MacBook Pro. If I wanted to remove the screws here, I can use a screwdriver. To take those screws out. This also has a magnet here so you can magnetize it. That way it'll help you pick up the screws, and it can also help hold the screws to the head of the screwdriver to help you reinstall them. A little tip when you're putting in small screws, a lot of times it can help to turn it backwards until you hear a click or feel a click. That way you know the thread's lined up, and then proceed forward. Doing so can help prevent cross-threading. When you're done using these, you can close the case and slide this shut, so then the screwdrivers stay in there. So that's the Heleman 6-piece magnetic small screwdriver set. If you're looking for a small screwdriver set to help repair glasses or work on electronics, I think this is a great option. They felt really nice in the hand. They're very easy to use. I really like the different colors on here, especially with glasses. Oftentimes screws will come loose multiple times. So if you know that the blue screwdriver is the one that fits your glasses, you can open the case up, easily just pull the blue screwdriver out. You don't have to search through different sizes, and that can make these more efficient to use. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.